Morning guys, so now we are going to prepare uh, illustration 5, okay, from the first lesson, sorry, from the second lesson. Okay, see illustration 5. From the following particulars of value recreation club, prepare receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2017. Okay, so accounts we are preparing the favor of the value recreation club and prepare receipts and payments account. Okay, what's the meaning of the receipts and payments account? And the receipts and payments account mean it's a income and expenditure. Okay, it's a payments and income. Okay, you know that format. So the debit side we should write the income, and the credit side we should write and the payments items. Okay, okay, see that question, and particulars and rupees and particulars and rupees. Okay, so first item, opening cash balance as on 1/4/2016. So opening cash balance mean it is the opening balance. So it is, we should write in the debit side of receipts and payments account. Actually it's opening cash balance. Opening balance it will shown in the debit side of receipts and payments account. Okay, so opening cash balance and opening bank balance is the both item we should write in the debit side of receipts and payments account. And the third one, the furniture purchased. So furniture purchased mean actually it is expenses we should write in the credit side of receipts and payments account. The furniture purchased mean it's expenses, so the payment item we should write in the credit side of receipts and payments account. Next, fourth one, sports equipment purchased. So sports equipment purchased mean it is also expenses we should write in the credit side of receipts and payment account. Next one, donation received. Okay, donation received mean it's a income it will be shown in the debit side of receipts and payments account. Okay, donation received mean it is a income we should write in debit side of receipts and payments account. Next is sale of old tennis balls. Okay, sale of old tennis balls mean it is a income. We have sold the old tennis balls, you know, it's a income. The cash we can comes into the business, so it is a income we should write in debit side. Okay, then the newspapers bought. Okay, newspapers bought mean it is expensive. We purchase papers, we purchase newspapers, it is expenses we should write in the credit side. Next, traveling expenses mean we can it is expenses, it's also we should write in the credit side. Okay, then the receipts from entertainment. So receipts from the entertainment mean receipts mean it is a income we should write in debit side. Now then admission fees received, it is a income we should write in debit side. Then the municipal taxes. So taxes mean it is a expenses, we are the paying the taxes to the government, you know, it is a expenses, you have to write credit side. Then expenses of charity source, so it is expenses we should write credit side. And so the billiard tables is purchase, it is also expenses we should write credit side. Constructions of new tennis court, we are constructing, it is expenses, so I would write credit side. Next, then the receipts from charity shows, so it is a income. Receipts mean it is a income, we should write debit side. Then the closing balance of cash in hand mean it is a closing cash, it should write the credit side of receipts and payments account. Okay, did you understand the question? So then we should prepare that receipts and payments account. Before that you should give that heading in the books of value recreation club, the receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2018. The headings is very the compulsory, you should write that heading. Okay, then this side is a debit side, this one is a credit side. Receipts rupees and payments and rupees. So this is the format of receipts and payments account. The first item I told you now, the opening cash balance and opening bank balance you should write in the debit side of receipts and payment account. This side is a debit side, this side is a credit side. Okay, first is a opening balance. Opening balance, how to write? Balance brought down. Okay, balance brought down mean it's a opening balance. Okay, opening balance how much rupees? 3,000. Okay, then opening balance of bank. Okay, bank opening balance how much rupees? And 12,000, and the total 15,000 we can write in the outside that column. Okay, did you understand how to write the opening cash and opening balance, bank balance? Okay, then third item, furniture purchase. So furniture purchased actually it is expenses, we should write the credit side. We can start with buy furniture purchased. Okay, so furniture purchase how much rupees? Rupees 11,000. Rupees 11,000. Next one, sports equipment purchased, it is also expenses, we can write credit side. Furniture sports equipment purchased. Okay, sports equipment purchased rupees 11,000. Then donation received. Okay, donation received means it is the income. We should write in debit side. Donation received. Okay, donation received how much rupees? 8,000. So donation received rupees 8,000. So next one, sale of old tennis balls. So sale of old tennis balls mean it is a income. You should write in debit side. Okay, sale of old tennis ball rupees 1,500. Okay, then newspapers bought. So newspapers bought mean it is a expenses. We should write credit side. Newspapers. So how much rupees? Rupees 500. How much rupees? Rupees 500. Then buy. Traveling expenses. So traveling expenses, that is expensive. We should write the credit side. Traveling expenses rupees 4,500. Okay, did you understand? The next one, receipts from entertainment. So receipts from entertainment mean it is an income. So we can write debit side. Receipts from entertainment rupees 20,000. So next, admission fees received mean it is a income. Received in admission fees received. It's a income. Admission fees received rupees 1,000. So next, municipal taxes. It is a expenses. So by municipal taxes rupees 22,000. So next, so billiards tables purchased. So tables purchased, it is expenses. So we can write credit side. So tables purchased, how much rupees? 15,000. Next, construction of new tennis court. It is expenses. We can write credit side. Construction of new tennis court rupees 18,000. So next, receipts from charity source. So it is a income. We can write debit side. To receipts from charity, how much rupees? 2,500. So then last one, closing balance of cash in hand. So the closing balance means we should write balance carry down. How much rupees? And 8,000. Okay, the finished. Then all the items we can taken, I think. So once we can check opening cash and opening balance, we can write in the debit side. Furniture purchased, we can write in the credit side. And the donation received, we can return. Okay, donation received, we can return in the debit side. And sale of old tennis, we can return in debit side. And admission fees, we can receive admission fees. Sorry, receipts, traveling expenses we can return. Okay, all the items, receipts and payments we can return. Then we should the calculate. So we have to the total. So actually I think the credit side, the more than value, so the credit side. Okay, so the credit side of the total value is more than the debit side value, mean the balance will be kept in the debit side. Okay, did you understand? If the total of the credit side value is more than the debit side value, mean the balance will be shown in the debit side. So it represents it is the opening balance. Okay, are you clear, guys? It is a opening, sorry, it is a what is that, bank overdraft. Okay, did you understand? So we should make the calculate the total. Okay, did you understand that one? So closing, so the total of the credit side total, so the credit side total is more than the debit side total, is the balance figure will be shown in the debit side. So the debit side total we can represent its bank overdraft. Okay, did you understand? Okay, then we can the total 0 0 1 3 7 9 Okay, 10, 16, 18. So total value, so 90, okay, 2000. Okay, the same amount we can write in the then opposite side, 92,000. Okay, 90